Ever wondered how some high schoolers seem to juggle so much and still make it all look impressive on paper? It is like they have a secret formula for making their experiences shine, whether they are applying for a job, a scholarship, or even college. Well, there is definitely a smart way to choose and present your activities. When it comes to high school resumes, the extracurriculars that look best are not just about what you do, but what skills you develop and demonstrate through them. Activities that showcase leadership, teamwork, problem-solving, communication, and initiative are highly valued. Think about things like clubs, sports, volunteer work, and even part-time jobs where you actively contribute and learn. Employers, scholarship committees, and admissions officers are looking for more than just good grades. They want to see that you are a well-rounded individual who can apply themselves in different situations and work effectively with others. Your extracurriculars provide concrete evidence of these essential soft skills. So how can you pick activities that truly make your resume pop? First, consider leadership roles. This could be captain of a sports team, president of a club, or even leading a project in a group. Next, focus on community involvement. Volunteering at a local animal shelter, helping with food drives, or organizing a fundraiser shows compassion and a commitment to making a difference. Think about skill-based activities. If you are on the debate team, you are sharpening your public speaking and critical thinking. Participating in a robotics club demonstrates problem-solving and technical skills. Even a part-time job, like working at a local cafe, teaches responsibility, customer service, and time management. Remember to highlight your specific contributions and achievements within these activities, not just your participation. Did you increase club membership by 20%? Did you help your team win a regional competition? These details make your involvement stand out. A little-known fact is that demonstrating sustained commitment to an activity, even just one or two, is often more impressive than bouncing between many different groups. This shows dedication and the ability to see things through. Also, do not forget to quantify your impact whenever possible. For example, saying, "raised $500 for charity," is much more powerful than simply stating, "participated in fundraising." Ultimately, the goal is to show that you are an engaged, capable individual who brings valuable skills and a strong work ethic. By strategically choosing activities that align with your interests and allow you to develop and showcase key transferable skills, you will build a resume that truly reflects your potential and opens doors to exciting future opportunities. It is all about building a compelling story of who you are and what you can achieve.